you think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot, and then this guy shows up.
Really? Your decision. I have better insurance, I guarantee. Yeah, I'm right here. Now, how about you not hit me because you don't know where the corners of your vehicle are?
What the heck is wrong with you? This is the turn for the. This is the left turn lane. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I want you to know the light was green with a turn arrow and she didn't go. And now she's getting out of the car to harass and take pictures of the license plate when she didn't go. We had the right of way because that arrow was green, just like that, and she didn't go. Oh no, don't worry.
She's still right behind.
So she's been following us the entire time, and she has pulled into the neighborhood that we have, and has stopped where we stopped. So,
are you one of their mothers?
but what's going on?
So they
Honked at you because you weren't paying attention in traffic? Yeah.
No, you honked at me when the light turned green.
Because there was an arrow, you had the right of way to turn.
Right. It turned green like in 1 second. And then you guys honked at me, and then they continued to lay on the horn.
Because you fully went into park and sat there.
Okay, can you turn that off, please?
No, I have the right to record.
You went up to my car recording me. So she has every right
But
to
you
record
continued to lay on the horn.
because you weren't going.
Right.
Honking the horn.
They stayed honking the horn at the light, and she did not let off of the horn whatsoever.
Because
Which
you
gave
weren't
me
moving.
intense anxiety. My legs literally are shaking right now still. Okay?
Then go about your day. Stop following kids. You're weird.
There's no reason to
Stop talking. Stop talking.
Okay.
You can't be aggressive like that. That's called
It's not
road
aggressive.
rage.
Okay,
It is.
Stop talking.
They honked the horns at you, and I understand it gave you anxiety. But wouldn't that give you anxiety following them to an unknown location even more?
You're a parent.
Yeah,
So
but
I
you
think
didn't-
it's
you
an
didn't know.
admirable. I think it's an admirable thing.
You didn't
to
know
come and be
who was going to be
courageous.
here.
Uh-huh.
This conversation's done.
Okay.
So as far as I'm concerned,
Have a great day.
We'll probably see you guys in court. So.
Okay, sure. Good luck with that. Good luck with that, because you're not
Have fun paying.
anywhere with it. There was nothing done illegally other than you following minors to a place of residence.
Even have a driver's license.
Well, maybe you
We
shouldn't
passed
be
it for a
driving if you get
reason.
anxiety that easily. It could go both ways. Have a great day.
Whoa! Holy! Oh, that was super close. Oh my God, he's leaving! Oh my God! Oh my God! Holy sh! Holy!
TVI rollover, he went over the pole.